Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nashi Tech. In today's videos, we'll see certain software engineering hiring as well as certain internship. Coming for the first one is company called Striker, is hiring for intern at basically at Bangalore. As you can see about the company details and all, it is basically a full-time job and basically it's at a fixed location Bangalore, and it's a hybrid and or on-site pay both of them. You can check if you are interested, you can apply over here. The link will be in the description. Second one is for a Java trainee at Hyderabad by the company Incresol is hiring. As you can see over here, the job description and stuff, you should basically know J2EE, Ajax, jQuery, MySQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, React. And either if you're interested, you can apply for this. The link will be in the description. Third one is basically for associate software engineering role. I mean, it's basically hiring at basic company Kongsberg, and basically for you can have you may have an experience that's good for you, and again you should have an experience in Microsoft.NET, C Sharp, ASP.NET, MS, SQL Server, and again you should know Azure and basically Azure things mentioned over here like the Azure developments and stuff. And again, you must be good in communication and any kind of collaborative. It's based on the prior experience in the project. These are the things you must have to be do. If you're interested, you can apply. It's at Mumbai. The link will be in the description. Fourth one is basically for a Python developer and basically internship intern role. At basic company, you can check over here Procure Solutions. Uh, there is a Python developer basically at Pune. You can check over here. For the company details, it's an internship for 2 months. Your roles is basically user data. You should work on with user data. You should various website and databases scrape. You should do web scraping basically. You should ensure data cleanliness and sanity. You should restructure data points and stuff. Basically, as anyone with the engineering background can apply, you should have experience in Python, ETL, and development skills. And these are stuff you must know if you are interested. And the stipend is for 12 months. It is basically for 12,000 per month, and it's basically the form also would have been here. You can apply if you're interested. The link for everything will be in the all the job role will be the link description. You can apply, and if you're new to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel for future videos on software engineering guiding. Thank you guys.